Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. In one of my previous video, I have shown how to web scrape the Nifty50 website and get the market data in a PDF. This is the link which we have used earlier. In this video, I will show how to do the similar task using Python. Here, you can check the code by clicking on View Page, Source or Inspect. This is how the source data looks like. This is an HTML page. Here, the class which contains the table indexes has all the data in this format. The first is for Adani and LTP is 3059. If you go here, this is how the table is defined: name, LTP, percentage change. And starting with the rows, we have Adani Enterprises. This is the LTP which we show, and the change percentage minus 0.02. Using Alteryx, we have defined this page, and using Python, we'll be creating a similar page like this. Let's move on to our code. This is the code which we are going to use. First of all, we will import the libraries. We'll import the request libraries, which will be used to fetch the website. We're using a beautiful soup, which will be used for passing the HTML data. The report lab will be used for creating the PDF. I have additionally used URL lib library to disable the insecure request warnings while accessing the page. First of all, I have created a function to generate the PDF. I have defined the PDF path. Then I have used a simple doc template where I define the path and the page size, which is the letter for the PDF document. Next, I have defined the table headers. So I am fetching the company name, last price, change and percentage change from here. Next, I have defined the data to it. Finally, I create the table using the table function. I have added style to the tables using the background color, text, align and font names, etc. Next is to change the color of the percentage change column. This is how our output is. If the value is negative, it displays in color red. Otherwise, it is positive, it will display in green. For that purpose, I have checked this condition. If the percentage change is greater than 0, then add the style of light green color to the background. Let's add light coral. And I have used the set style function to set the style to the table. Finally, I have added a table to the PDF format using the build function. And this message I'm displaying once our PDF gets generated. This is how the generate PDF function would be working. Next, I have defined the URL which we are going to access, which is this. I have sent a GET request to the URL using the request library.get function. First of all, I'm checking whether the request was successful by checking the code, which is 200. Next, once it is successful, I'm passing the HTML content of the page using the beautiful soup. After passing, I'm finding a table containing the data using the find function available in Beautiful Soup. So if you see, this is the class name. This is the class name which I was talking about earlier. So we are fetching the table for this class name. After that, we are defining the structure for the table. By extracting the data from that table, we are going to put it into our table. We are finding all the rows. Then we are skipping the header row. Then we go to all the data and we extract the company name, last price, change per and the change. We are making sure that it doesn't have any white spaces trailing. Then we are appending it to the data which we have created. This is the data which we are getting. We are appending one by one all the data to it. Finally, we are passing this data which we got from the website to our generate PDF function. If it doesn't work, we are displaying the function. We are printing the message table not found on the web page. otherwise fail to retrieve the web page. This is how our output would look like. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel for more such videos, and thank you so much for watching.